Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Minutes. In this video, we will be doing a breathing color meditation to help with anxiety. Soft hues will appear on screen, so feel free to turn down your lights. And let the colors spill onto your walls or ceiling as we practice. Let's settle in. Find a comfortable seat, feet grounded, hands resting gently. Close your eyes if that feels right, and set the intention to invite calm into your next few minutes. Affirming "I am calm and present daily" can reduce reactivity and increase clarity. Proof that where focus goes, energy flows. Now soften your shoulders, bring awareness to your body, and let's begin. We'll start with mindful breathing. Breathe in deeply. Hold. Exhale fully. Continue this cycle. Name one thing you appreciate right now. Your breath is your anchor. Return to it anytime. Keep your focus on each inhale and exhale. Notice the rise and fall in your chest. Stay with the breath, in and out. One more cycle. Inhale. Exhale and let go. Now, draw in a soft blue light, powder blue filling every cell of your lungs. Hold that calm. Exhale, watching blue wash tension away. Feel the hue glow on your walls. Continue this blue breath. Visualize your goal as already achieved. Color blue calms the mind and slows the heart rate. Breathe in blue light. Exhale and feel tension melt. Keep inhaling blue. Exhale and release. Your thoughts shape your mood. Choose gentle ones. Feel the afterglow of that blue wash. Trust this calm seeds your day with ease. Remain present with this peaceful sensation. Let's now shift to a warm pink light, soft and nurturing. Inhale pink warmth into your chest. Exhale, letting that warmth radiate beyond you. Imagine a pink glow on your ceiling. Continue this pink breath. I welcome kindness into my life. Smiling even inwardly releases tension. Draw in pink light. Exhale and feel comfort expand. Keep breathing in this pink. Exhale, allow the warmth to flow. On your next inhale, draw in golden yellow energy, like sunshine filling you. Hold at the crest of a gentle wave. Exhale softly, letting it cascade over you. Feel that yellow beam around your space. Ride this wave of color. Picture sunshine filling every part of you. A seed thought of courage grew into a mountain of confidence. Inhale sunshine. Exhale, feel the wave flow. Keep drawing in yellow. Exhale, releasing tension. Finally, breathe in soft green, balance and renewal. Feel green light weaving through every part of you. Exhale, releasing any last tension. Continue this green breath. A green image invites balance. Think of a quiet forest. Take 3 conscious blinks to reset eye strain. Inhale that green energy. Exhale and let go. One final cycle. Inhale green. And now, exhale fully. Just remember, presence is the greatest gift you can give yourself. Simply be here, no goals, no doing. Notice the stillness within. Embrace the calm you've created. And allow presence to fill you. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. Carry this ease with you. Remember, focus your intention, breathe with color, and watch calm manifest in your life. I am calm. I am centered. I attract peace. Thanks for meditating with us today. Feel free to enjoy the peace we've created together, and we look forward to sharing our next video. Feel free to comment below and let us know what you would like for us to create and address in future sessions. Namaste.